Hello everybody, welcome to the 35th tutorial in this tutorial series. And yeah, apologies, it's been a long time since we last made any video. Yeah, pretty much what we did the last time is we made this. We had this happening pretty much, yeah. So in this video we're simply going to be adding bullets. So yeah, it's going to be bullets part 1. We're simply going to be creating, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying anyway, so let's head in. So well, I already did that. So anyways, wait first. Sorry, I just wanted to fix the colors and stuff. So pretty much, yeah. So anyways, I went ahead of screen and I simply created this what's it called, this class. It's pretty much, yeah, nothing new. Just create a new package. Pretty much go there, press new Java package, and jcodes the drop down the zombie game projectiles. Pretty much I created a projectile, whatever, a projectile class. So pretty much what a bullet's going to be, it's going to be a projectile. And why I decided to go with this approach is because we can have guns or like rocket launchers that shoots explosive projectiles and other stuff. And yeah, so pretty much it's usually do stuff. I'll make this abstract because it's going to be the parent class. And I'll also make this extended game object. Oh, I need to import that, add import, blah blah blah, and we're done. Now I forgot what game objects actually has. It has a position, blah blah blah. Okay. What we need to add is a direction, pretty much, because all what is it called? All projectiles or all bullets have a direction. So vector 2f direction, and I might also need a speed. Wow. Add input to whatever, and we also need a speed. Speed, yeah. So I'll call this a float speed. And what else? I think that's all. We're also gonna need a velocity, by the way. Vector 2f velocity, and we're also gonna need an on-collision method. It's an abstract method. Public abstract void why can't I spell? Okay, anyway, so on collision. And damn, I forgot how the what's it called how the collisions actually work. It's been a while since I did this. Collision. So I'm gonna add a collider, right? Collision listener on collision. Okay, so I can simply say, instead of adding this, I can simply make this implements collision, and we simply need to import this, and then after that we're going to have a collider. And yeah, we're gonna have a collider. Actually, and I simply need to import that, and we just create the what's it called, the constructor. Oh, let me just go and enable autocomplete because I'm a very lazy person. So tools, options, autosave. Okay, I want to have autosave for every minute. Save files and focus is lost, yeah. And code templates, code completion, yeah. And hit Java. And pretty much hit apply. Okay. And now when then we're good. And I'll simply say direction. Whoa, okay, why did this open? Equals to new vector. Okay, why is this thing opening every single time? New vector to F, simply leave it like that. And simply say speed will equal to, I don't know, 1. Just leave it at 0. And velocity also equals to new vector to F. We're also going to make we're gonna create a collider. But what does the collider actually have? Okay, it's gonna use a collision lesson and an object, game object. So yeah, collider equals to collider this and this. This meaning because we're extending from game object, a projectile is also a game object, and what else? It's also a collision listener. So I think we're pretty good for the what's it called right now? For the projectile. So now we can simply go ahead and create a bullet class. So inside the bullet, we simply want to extends projectile. Implement all the abstract methods. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Pretty much. And yeah. And this looks pretty good for a bullet. Oh, one more thing. We need to create getters and setters for these guys. So make these guys protected. And to simply generate getters and setters, you can actually go public void set speed and go the manual way. Simply say float underscore speed. Now let me just simply say with speed, and simply say this is speed is equal to speed. Or I can simply go and I can simply do it the manual way and write every single one. But if you're using NetBeans, you can simply right click and simply go to insert code, getter and setter, click everything and generate. And we have everything, set and get, blah, blah, blah. We have all this stuff. So that's good. So I believe we're done for the projectile. With the projectile class, and then now we have the bullet class. And inside here we can add some extra properties. I need to call super. Super pretty much calls the constructor over here that we created. So inside here, yeah. So we're gonna have a few stats for the bullet. Like we can have damage. It's going to be a float damage, and yeah, pretty much we can add other stuff if we have to, like I don't know, pierce, like if we want our bullets to be able to pierce, but we're not going to do that today. So simply we're just gonna end here for today. Yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. In the next video we're simply going to finish up the bullet class, and then in the one after that we're gonna actually use it. And yeah, so pretty much, guys, that's it for today. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Like the press the like button and smash the subscribe. Yeah guys, peace.